वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचे. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाउ टू मेक parsley salad. So for that we need one whole bunch of parsley, which is easily available in any supermarkets. This is from Delfino's. It's around 34 rupees. Then tomatoes, 4 tomatoes, which is 15 rupees today. One, or you can use half lime or one lime. Two chilies. Then this is 2 onions and 1 cucumber. Olive oil, salt to taste, and pepper powder. So let's start. Okay, so we have to chop everything fine, and don't waste this part also. Use every bit of this. So this is actually Irani or Persian salad of this parsley. So chop this very fine. Now we chop this very fine. Parsley is very good for health, and if anybody has got anemia issues and all, it is very good. Then we chop our tomatoes again very fine, with seeds, without seeds, it's your option. Chili is also very fine. So like this only, chop everything very fine. Chop all this like this only. So let's add salt, then we add some pepper, crushed pepper, then we'll add some lime juice to this. So I will add the whole lime juice to this. And then we will add our olive oil. Now olive oil, it depends how much you want, so you can just soak this with lots of olive oil. So parsleys, and then mix this. Now we can drizzle more on this top. That's it, and our salad is ready to serve. Our parsley salad is ready to serve. Decorate it nicely and enjoy this parsley salad. Okay, so for decoration, take a plate and just pour this parsley. Try this salad and do tell me how was it. Full of parsley. So if you need more of salt or olive oil, then you can drizzle more. Hope you all will all enjoy this quick, easy parsley salad. And mostly they eat it with cabbage leaf. So they put it in a cabbage leaf and wrap it and eat it. So this is how they eat. Try this recipe and enjoy. Thank you.
Here it is, lovely parsley salad. Enjoy.